which current flows in the circuit, which meter or meters correctly read each of the following. And this is A1, this is A2, this is A3, just kidding, this is A4. So which one determines the flow through R2? This is R2, this is R1. So the one that determines the current through R2 is, of course, what? A3. The one that determines the current through R1 is which? Ah, excellent. It could be both. Easy. Perfect, thank you. These three things, A2, R1, and A4, are in what? In series. So the current through one has to be the current through all of them. Okay? C, the current through the battery. Yeah, we just use A1. D, the potential difference across R1. Oh, look at that. It looks like I've forgotten to draw something. And that's V2. So for D, because that's going to give us the potential difference. The terminal voltage of the battery is obviously V1. And F, the EMF of the battery, how would you measure that with this? Well, you would need to use, this V1. And then you'd also need to use A1. You could do it. Actually, you would have to use more. If I use that one, if I use A2 and I use A3, that would let me know. Oh no, there was a total current. I should be able to do that, because then I could find the internal resistance. If I know the internal resistance. If you use all of this, actually, I guess you don't. Yeah, you need these. If I know all of the current through the whole circuit, then I can tell the behavior of the whole circuit. I can go back and calculate EMF. But actually, does the question say measure directly? Yeah. So it says which meter or meters directly, or which meters correctly read the following. So for this one, because it says EMF, like even though you could calculate this, none of them directly read it. So that's why they said nothing. You could figure it out.